How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. If you are having problem with that, you are at the right place and stick till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the application. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the settings. And once you land on your settings page, now tap on apps. Again, tap on see all apps. Here you have to search for Brawl Stars. Once you find it out, tap on Brawl Stars. Then that will take you to the app info of Brawl Stars. From here, scroll down a bit and there you will get an option that says mobile data and Wi-Fi. Tap on there. Now once you get this interface, scroll down a bit and make sure that the option that says unrestricted data usage is turned off. If it is turned on, simply turn off the toggle, and once you are done with that, again go back. Go back to the settings page. Now tap on network and internet. From here, go to your SIM card settings. Select your SIM card. And here scroll down a bit and at the very last you will get access point name. Tap on there. And again tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner. From there tap on reset to default, and after you do that, your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.